There's a special place out there. A place where I can breathe again. Where all the stresses and worries of the day just disappear. Do you have one? Do you know what I'm talking about? It's a spot where you can set down all of that weight and all that burden that we all carry. A place where we can imagine and be inspired. A place to dream. A place where we can lose ourselves so we can find ourselves again. Because at some point, we've all just forgotten that. Someone once said, you shouldn't climb the mountain so that the world can see you, but rather, you should climb the mountain so you can see the world. I always liked that one. So what I'm saying is simple. Go out there and lose yourself to find yourself again.